आप भी एक्टिव एक्ने से और डल स्किन से बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो और मार्केट की हर मेडिसिन, हर क्रीम लगा के थक गए हो, आओ एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट बताऊंगी जिससे आपकी एक्ने की सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएंगी। उससे पहले सब्सक्राइब करो। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new here, hi, I'm Kim C. So I am your beauty bestie who always gives you some makeup tips, some product reviews, some DIYs, homemade hacks, everything. So today I'm here to give you another product review that you do not want to miss, and hit subscribe until I tell you what it is. Yeah, I am into makeup. I do a lot of makeup. I had a phase 3 years back. I used to get a lot of pimples. मैं pimples की वजह से घर से बाहर नहीं जाती थी because if you do not remove your makeup properly, obviously breakouts होते हैं. There are other factors for your acne as well, which is obviously आप dust में जाते हो. Rose pollution is one of the major factors. Even if you're having PCOS, PCOD, pimples हमेशा आना is very normal. But diet can control them, but obviously externally भी you require some products. मेरे फैमिली में जेनेटिकली पिंपल्स की प्रॉब्लम है, बट कोइंसिडेंटली आई डिड नॉट हैव मच, बट आई हैव सीन इन माय फैमिली कि जो लोग डॉक्टर्स के पास गए हैं, they always had a schedule of eating medicines and putting a lot of creams for 2 years, and उसके बाद भी they were always having peeling. They were having dull skin. I personally do not like that क्योंकि मैंने इतने एग्जाम्पल्स अपने घर में देखे हुए थे. So I always wanted a solution जिससे मुझे वो peeling ना हो and वो स्किन अजीब सी ना लगे, until I was introduced to this product. और आज भी if I get any breakout, ये मेरी लाइफ का एक लौता savior है. I just apply it and within a few hours or overnight it is gone. There are a lot of face packs in the market, but for me, the face pack that I am just about to show you does require a special mention from my side क्योंकि मेरी life के 3 years this has been one of the most important products. हमारे यहाँ ये ट्यूब खत्म नहीं होती है, उसके पहले आ जाती है. My mom and I are just addicted to this one. We always require a tube of this, and this is again by Modicare Fruit of the Earth face pack, which is with neem rosemary. इससे मुझे फाइनली बाहर जाने का वो कॉन्फिडेंस दिया है जो मुझे पिंपल्स ने हमेशा घर पे बैठा दिया था, जिसकी वजह से. So this is made for sensitive and acne prone skin. So you can see the color, right? So this is majorly made of clay, and the clay is actually मुल्तानी मिट्टी. So obviously you belong to an Indian household. आप जब भी अपने मम्मी के पास जाओगे, that okay, I want to apply a face pack, she will never ask you to buy it from a market. She will always give you suggestion of putting multani mitti because it is that cooling that it actually absorbs all your toxins away from the skin. It actually controls the oil and it cleans your pores and tightens your skin. इसलिए कभी मुल्तानी मिट्टी लगाने के बाद बोलना नहीं, because it does help you avoid wrinkles as well. Now मुल्तानी मिट्टी is fine, ठीक है, लेकिन why is it special? Because it has neem, brahmi and rosemary in it, which actively reduces your acne. So that is why this is one hell of a product. Break down why all these 3 things are actually important for your acne. So the first one is neem. So neem is actually an antifungal agent and it's a natural antiseptic because of which it disinfects your skin and it also gives you a very dry and acne clear skin. So neem is a must. The second one is rosemary. Now why is rosemary important? Because it is a natural astringent again, which helps you with controlling your oil secretions. They control the oil of your skin. So if the oil on your skin is controlled, उसकी वजह से acne और blemishes नहीं होते हैं. So obviously ये अगर आपके प्रोडक्ट में है तो it will decrease a lot of oil secretion, जिससे आपको acne और blemishes होना बंद हो जाएंगे. Last one is brahmi. Brahmi helps you repair your skin cells, which helps heal the skin from all the damages that is happening externally. So neem, rosemary, brahmi and multani mitti together is one proper solution for your acne externally. I will actually go through the whole application and tell you ki how does it affect your skin. Also, like I always say, this face pack is again not gender biased, क्योंकि acne भी gender biased नहीं होता है. तो जो लड़कों को acne हो रहा है, प्लीज अप्लाई दिस, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली क्लीन स्किन किसको नहीं चाहिए एक गुड हेल्दी हील्ड स्किन. So do apply this because this is necessary. This is very good for us. Up, let's go with the application and see how many times do you have to use it. So this is how it comes out. This is a very normal paste kind of a thing. Let's apply it, okay, and see कि कैसे ये work करेगा. So apply it on your complete skin. So I have applied it on my skin now, and I will come back after half an hour because you need to keep it for half an hour, and no speaking, please, no speaking. So I will show you the results after 30 minutes in this whole video. So after 30 minutes, this is how it looks like. Let's get it washed now.
So finally I've washed off my face and this is how my face looks. Nothing is there on my face right now. This is just my natural.
I have already told you the application, but coming back to how much can you use it, you can use it every day if you want. You can actually put it twice a day also if you want. So what you do is put a very thin layer of it on your skin and just leave it for 30 minutes. Do not speak, just leave it for 30 minutes and wash it off and do whatever skincare you do. That's it. And आप इसको थोड़ा thick layer भी लगा सकते हो if you actually want it more to work on acne. अदरवाइज अगर आपको बहुत एक्टिव एक्ने है, आप इसको रात में अपने एक्ने और ब्लेमिशेस पे लगा के सो, on just the parts of it, not on the complete face, and next morning you get up and you just wash it off. This does give a bit cooling effect as well as bit of a burning effect on your active acne, but बहुत controlled होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि it's going to react on your skin. When you know कि something is going to work on your skin, वो हल्का फुल्का आपको बर्निंग सेंसेशन देगा. तो जितना ही आपको प्रोवाइड करेगा बर्निंग सेंसेशन, दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर गुड बिकॉज इसमें नीम पड़ा हुआ है. So that is quite natural. So I don't think you have anything to worry about. So this comes in two packagings. This is 150 ml. The other one is a smaller one which is 100 ml. So this 150 ml costs 450 rupees and the other one which is the smaller one costs 335 rupees I guess. So I always get a bigger one because I do use it very frequently. तो I do get a bigger one always. I wish इससे बड़ी पैकेजिंग आती हो क्योंकि मैं इससे बड़ी पैकेजिंग लेके घर पे रखना चाहती हूँ, but can't help it. But this is a very good product, and if you want to buy it, you can always buy it from my code and you can get a 10% instant discount if you want. I will mention the link in the bio and you can buy it from there and you can get a 10% instant discount. I think if you do not want to give it a try for the bigger one, you can always go for a smaller one and see whether it works with you or not. But as many people as I know, I asked everybody to use it in my family, and it did work for a lot of people because I do have a few people in my family who has PCOS, PCOD as well. So they did not like reduce the acne. Obviously it cannot reduce the acne, but it can like remove all the face blemishes for you. So कहीं ना कहीं तो ये आपको हेल्प करेगा ही. Obviously अंदर से ये हेल्प नहीं कर सकता, एक्सटर्नली ये कर सकता है. So why not use a very classic product externally rather than going for every random product in the market. So like this is the Modicare product. In the last one also I told you that this is a very proud company. They always write, I personally guarantee full refund of your money if you are not 100% satisfied with the quality of the product. I am 100% satisfied with the quality of this product and a lot of them. तो मेरा पैसा तो well invested है, for sure. You should also give it a try and see whether it is worth investing your money on. This was my review for this Modicare Fruit of the Earth Deep Rosemary pack because I absolutely love it. This is my personal favorite. So I really wish that you also give it a try and you see it for yourself whether it's worth it or not. Please do subscribe me if you really like this type of content on my page. Do like, comment and subscribe for me. And also do tell me if you have tried this product before or would you like to try this product. So please do comment down below and do not forget to subscribe. Until then, bye bye.